When water damage strikes, whether it's a burst pipe, a leaking roof, a monsoon flood, or a failed appliance, most people focus on removing the standing water. But here's what many homeowners in Mesa don't realize. The damage doesn't stop when the water is gone. Hidden moisture trapped inside drywall, insulation, subfloors, and cabinetry creates the perfect conditions for mold growth. In Arizona's climate, mold can begin forming in as little as 24 hours. By the time you smell it or see it, the contamination may already be spreading behind your walls. ALM Services provides 24-hour emergency water damage restoration and mold remediation throughout Mesa and the greater Phoenix and Tucson metro areas. Our response teams are available around the clock, nights, weekends, and holidays, because water damage and mold don't follow a schedule. When you call ALM, we arrive fast, extract standing water, deploy commercial-grade drying equipment, perform full moisture mapping to locate every hidden wet area, and when mold is present, begin safe, certified remediation immediately. Our team also works directly with your insurance company to help document the damage and streamline the claims process, taking one more burden off your plate during a stressful time. Jules Clegg said, "Larry did a great job. We passed the follow-up mold inspection easily. We would not hesitate to use him again." For 24-hour water damage and mold response in Mesa, call ALM Services at 602-257-8000 or visit almservices.construction. Licensed, bonded, insured.